AI is taking the world by storm, but does it make our lives more convenient or troubling? Let's put that to the test. Hey! Welcome to my channel, everyone. I'm Cherry, and today we're going to explore 7 life-changing AI tools that are absolutely free and can make your life much easier. Enjoy the show, and let's do this. Do you have a groundbreaking idea for an online business, but you don't have the website nor expertise to build one? Well, Framer, an incredible AI-powered non-code website builder, can turn your dream website into a reality. Sign up on Framer and head to a homepage. Create a new project and click on Start with AI. A prompt should appear to input the description of your ideal website. Let's use it to create a professional website for a hypothetical online business that sells stylish and comfy underwear for cats. I don't know why that's the first thing that came to mind. Let's call the business Chic with Catitude. Once you hit start, the AI creates a sleek template that we can easily customize, from fonts to color palettes. Framer will save you loads of time and money, allowing you to create a professional website on a short notice. Is J. Jonah Jameson hounding you down at the Daily Bugle to write the most engaging genius article that does not involve Spider-Man? What if I tell you that you can write a professional article in a matter of seconds? With ChatGPT's plugin extension, AIPRM, that can be possible. Just download the extension, log into your account, and it will take you to a page with different prompt templates intended for different uses. Choose the human-written article template and input the context of your desired article. Let's have ChatGPT write a slick professional article about how AI will take our jobs. Now, you're safe from Jameson's wrath. Or not. Other than articles, you can ask ChatGPT to write an email to your coworker to stop emailing you after work hours. No! Have you ever wanted to release that inner rap god inside you? No? Well, today is the glorious day where we are going to make use of 3 AI tools to produce a rap song. With Mubert, the AI can generate original music tracks for you. You can either choose between different genres and moods, or you can type a prompt for the type of music track you want. The AI will take care of everything. Now, we have to add lyrics to our rap song. I asked ChatGPT to generate epic rap lyrics for me on the Barbenheimer meme, which involves the Barbie movie and the Oppenheimer movie. Why not make a rap song about 2 movies that are completely unrelated to each other? If you cringe at the sound of your own voice, that's okay. UberduckAI can use the voice of other rappers to rap to your track instead. Make an account, choose text to voice, paste your lyrics, and your chosen rapper. In my case, I used Big Gay's voice. It will generate an audio file of the rapper reciting your lyrics, which you can put over your track. Uber AI also has a generative rap feature to make a pre-made song, but you can only write 1 verse for free. A song is not a song without visuals, but where do we get these visuals? With RunwayML.com, you can turn your thoughts into real videos. Sign up, use Gen 2 features, and input your thoughts in which the AI will use to produce videos. If you hit preview, you will have 4 different videos to choose from. You can also drag a pre-made video into Gen 1 and slap some cool-looking presets onto the video. This looks like the inside of SpongeBob's brain. Now you can let your intrusive thoughts win and put your thoughts into videos.
Oh, so much sweetness.
Apart from producing videos, this AI also creates images and removes backgrounds, a content creator's greatest weapon. Now for our Barbenheimer rap song.
Step into the scene, it's time to unwind a meme, so but it's one of a kind. We got Barbie on the left, Oppenheimer on the right. Together they collide, igniting memes so bright. But picture this, people watching can't believe their rise. Barbie's word of glam, Oppenheimer's atomic rise. 2 worlds combine and mesh it so supreme the internet explodes. It's a Barbenheimer meme. Barbenheimer, but Barbenheimer, worlds under one, laughing so hard. We're losing track of time from the Barbie dream has to nuke so extreme. Everybody's talking about the Barbenheimer meme.
We've seen deepfakes on YouTube that look very realistic, like this one of Tom Cruise.
1, I don't drink. 2, I fly on the side of the plane outside.
What if I tell you that you can embody someone else's identity for free? This isn't illegal, I swear. This is just something you can have fun with. With reface.AI, this will not be a mission impossible. On the website, you will see an option to swap faces. After clicking on that feature, you can upload a video of yourself or a friend, or any video. In this case, I won't use a video of myself, but a video of Margot Robbie as Barbie.
Oh, hi, Alan.
Then, it is time to upload the face you would like to swap with. I used an image of Ryan Gosling as Ken. After swapping the faces, we now have a fabulous looking Ken who's living his best plastic life.
Oh, hi, Alan.
There are no multiples of Alan. He's just Alan.
Why did I decide to make this choice?
Oh my god! What is that?
This last AI will be the best, but most useless AI you will ever use. However, it is fun. ChatGPT may be overrated, but do you know what isn't overrated? CatGPT. What better way to spend hours of your day than talking with an AI kitty? So after exploring these AI tools, what do you think? Do they have a positive impact on our lives, or could they have potential negative consequences in the long run? Share your thoughts on the impact of AI in the comments below, along with your favorite AI tool from this video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe for more and leave a like. Thank you for watching, and that's a wrap.